guys, I have a little addition that I'd like to add on to one of my videos. This is a Duromax 10,000 watt generator propane adapter kit. Now let me point it over here and show you all about it. This is a propane diaphragm. I've got it on a quick connect kit for the propane, and I actually had to, I don't know if you guys can see this, but let me point this out. I had to actually cut the frame and weld it back, and I put some electrical tape on so it looks like it wasn't half-ass put on. But all it was a little a diaphragm that you put on the end of the carburetor, and you put the end of the fuel filter or carburetor filter, whatever you call it, on the end of that. It was pretty simple to do, wasn't difficult at all. But let's see if we can't run the freaking thing. Pull the choke out. That up, and what we got here is a little inlet. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's allowing a little propane to get into the carburetor. Pretty sure I got the keys here somewhere. Let's see if we can't just start it right up. And as you can hear, that's the idle control. It idles it down when the electricity is not in use. And it was a fairly easy kit to put on. I think it'll be beneficial in fuel consumption if something ever happens. We have the option of using any 3 fuel sources that we have readily available. And I just want to thank you guys for watching, and recommend, if you don't have any welding experience or any way to pop rivet the frame back together, I really wouldn't go on and get one unless you know somebody who I guess does. Alright.